Yeah, dreams take time, but we speed it up.
Oh my god, stop scrolling. Google just dropped a bomb this August. Guys, Google has just released its AI tool. It's called Nano Banana. Yes, I know the name sounds funny, but what this tool can do is jaw-dropping. Imagine editing your photos, creating product ads, and even changing your clothes and wearing luxury brands. Like for me, I'll just wear all the luxury brands. I'll just hold all the luxury handbags. Do you want to wear Dior, Hermes, Christian Louboutin, all those things, guys? Now, Google has made it possible for you to change your clothes, do anything with your hair, even take photos standing beside your favorite celebrity, guys. Isn't that amazing? I'm here to show you this tool and tell you how you can utilize it and start making money today from home. There are so many things you can do with this tool, especially for business owners. So if you're a business owner, worry no more. Just head over to Google AI Studio and start prompting. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Nano Bananas to help you scale your businesses, to help you dominate in the market, and why not, to help you use it and start earning facelessly. And wait, do not click out until you see how I use Nano Banana to create a fake product launch campaign under 5 minutes. Guys, watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you how to use Nano Banana to start creating engaging content, to start creating engaging business campaigns, to start creating engaging ads, and why not, to start earning money just by prompting. To begin generating, head over to Google and type in Google AI Studio. Once it pops up, click on it. You will land on the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to Nano Bananas and click it open. Now you can start prompting. For me, I had to run an ad about an upcoming event in my community. And this event is a cultural event. I am supposed to promote this event. So I decided to use this tutorial to showcase how I intended to promote this event. And I also did a fake product campaign for my weight loss brand using Nano Banana. So right here, you can see this is the traditional regalian for Northwesterners in Cameroon. This is the English-speaking side of Cameroon. So I went ahead and downloaded Davido's photos from Instagram, and I wanted Davido to promote this event as an artist. As funny as it may sound, people like us who can't hire artists to promote or influence our events, we are now jubilating because with the help of AI, we can bring any artist to promote our events. For me, I love Davido so much, so I decided to go with him. Now, I had to generate him wearing the traditional regalian, we normally call it togo. And at the end of this video, I'll show you the final promotion video he did to promote my cultural event. The first generation I did didn't really match because of the photo I used for generation. Davido was in a suit, so the togo, as we normally call it, couldn't lay down nicely. So I had to go for a photo where he's wearing something like a verse, so the togo can fit in perfectly as you can see it now. Togo also looks like a verse. I needed a photo where Davido is putting on a verse. And guys, look at this. This is the final result. We got Davido wearing the togo. He looks so cute in it. Don't you see that? Next artist I used for my product campaign was Tiwa Savage. Of course, these are my favorite African artists. There are many, but these two will save the day. So I prompted Google AI to generate an image of my character Tiwa holding the golden box of Trim and Fit Diet coffee and standing stylishly in a gallery. And bam, I got an amazing generation, 100% nicely done. I also did generations twice with Tiwa, one with her holding the entire box of my weight loss product and the other one where she is holding a packet of the product, different clothes and standing in a gallery. I just uploaded her second photo that I grabbed from Instagram, prompted the AI to generate her holding my diet coffee in front of the camera, slightly lifting it up and standing stylishly. Then I got this and it was just as I intended. Next, I generated a photo of me standing in France in front of the Eiffel Tower. And I asked it to change my hair to a curly hair and it also did great with that. Lastly, I asked the AI to change a photo where I did a surprise facial expression to me looking into the camera, face normal and wearing a hoodie and a cap. This is what I got and it also came out very nicely. I love it. I also went ahead to generate Davido proposing to a lady, and this lady isn't Choma. This was just for fun. Yeah, I was just having some fun with the AI, going extra miles. So finally, this is the final video of how the party promotion with Davido looked like. And truth be told, people registered for this event after seeing who the promoter is. And you can use this trick to promote your events, birthdays, anniversaries, so people can turn up.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Davido, OBO to the world. Listen up, Gina City is about to shut down this October. From the 2nd to the 4th of October, the annual PNWC convention is bringing together culture, music, fashion, and pure vibes like you've never seen before. This is not just another event. This is class, energy, and premium connection all in one place. If you know me, you know I don't show up for small things. And trust me, you don't want to hear about it from others. You need to be there. Tickets are hot right now, 250 yuan for all access, and if you're lucky enough to get an invite, you only pay 150 yuan. That's value you can't get anywhere else. So, my people, whether you rep your tribe, your style, or your hustle, October in Jinan is where you need to be. Let's make history together. It's Davido saying, pull up, show love, and let's light up the city. Energy Day! Don't wait for the gist, be part of the history. Pull up, show out, and let's light up Jinan together. Energy Day, my people!
So guys, after watching this tutorial, I just want to tell you one thing. Nano Banana isn't a golfing name. It's a revolution. Whether you're building a faceless brand, or even just scaling your e-commerce business, or you just love to flex online, Nano Bananas is the go-to for everything. I remember when I used to use Gen GPT, realistic photos. It's one of the GPTs. This GPT was meant to train an AI character of you, but this GPT couldn't deliver. So right now, we've gotten the one and only AI tool that will change everything, that will reform everything, that will reorganize everything for us. Guys, aren't you happy as a business person? Because me, as a business person, I'm so excited about this tool because I can use this tool for many other things in my business. So this tool is a shortcut to you looking like you hired an entire creative team. So why don't you go ahead and check it out? And I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description box. You can just click the link and it will take you over there, and you can start prompting for free, guys. It's free, guys. That's the most amazing part about it. Anyone can use this tool. Finally, if you found this jaw-dropping, why don't you go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, go ahead, leave a banana in the comment section so that next time I can give a shout out to you. And also, if you want me to drop advanced prompts and money making strategies using Nano Banana, then go ahead and click subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. See you on the next one. Bye!